Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious beef jerky using your oven. First, select a lean cut of beef, like top round or sirloin, and trim any visible fat. Then, slice the beef thinly, about 1/8 to 1/4 inch thick, against the grain for tenderness. This careful preparation is absolutely key for achieving a great texture and consistent drying results. Now, let's talk about flavor. Prepare a savory marinade using ingredients like soy sauce, Worcestershire sauce, and your favorite spices. Place the thinly sliced beef into the marinade, ensuring every piece is fully coated. Allow it to marinate in the refrigerator for a minimum of 6 hours, or ideally, overnight for the best flavor penetration. Once marinated, it's time for the oven. Preheat your oven to its lowest setting, typically around 170 degrees Fahrenheit. Arrange the beef slices on oven racks, making sure they don't overlap, to allow for even drying. Crucially, prop the oven door open slightly with a wooden spoon to ensure proper air circulation, which helps remove moisture. The drying process usually takes 3 to 5 hours. Check your jerky periodically. It should be firm and pliable, but not brittle. Once it reaches the desired texture, remove it from the oven and let it cool completely on a wire rack. Store your delicious homemade beef jerky in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks of fresh enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.